Hi friends, welcome to Chandana. Let us know about the history of Golconda. Golconda is an enormous fort just 100 kilometers outside of the Hyderabad. Golconda Fort, also known as Golconda, in Telugu it is called Shepherd Hills, is a fortified citadel and an early capital city of the Qutub Shahi dynasty from 1512 to 1687, located in the Hyderabad, Telangana, India. Golconda flourished as a trade center of large diamonds known as Golconda diamonds. The region has produced some of the world famous diamonds, including the colorless Kohinoor diamonds. Golconda was first built by the Kakatiyas as a part of the western defences along with the lines of Kondapalli Fort. The city and the fort were built on a granite hill that is 120 meters high, surrounded by massive battlements. The fort was rebuilt and strengthened by Rani Rudramadevi and her successor Pratapruddha. Later the fort came under the control of the Mysore Nayakas, who defeated the Tughlaqi army occupying Warangal. It was ceded by the Mysore Nayakas to Bahmani Sultans as a part of the treaty in 1364. Under Bahmani Sultanate, Golconda slowly rose to prominence. Sultan Quli Qutb Ulmi, 1487 to 1543, sent by the Bahmanis as a governor at Golconda, established the city as a seat of his government around 1504. Bahmani rule gradually weakened during this period, and the Sultan Quli formally became independent in 1538, establishing the Qutub Shahi dynasty based in Golconda. Over a period of 62 years, the mud fort was expanded by the first three Qutub Shahi sultans into the present structure, a massive fortification of granite extending around the 5 kilometers in the circumference. It remained the capital of the Qutub Shahis, shifted to the Hyderabad. The Qutub Shahis expanded the fort, whose 7 kilometers outer wall was enclosed by the city. During the early 17th century, a strong cotton weaving industry existed in Golconda. Large quantities of cotton were produced for the domestic and export consumption. High quality plain cloth or patterned cloth made of muslin was produced. Patterned cloths exports were mainly to the Java, Sumatra and other eastern countries. The fort finally fell to ruin in 1687 after an 8-month-long siege led to its at the hands of the Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb. Golconda Fort is listed as an archaeological treasure on the official list of the monuments prepared by the Archaeological Survey of India under the Ancient Monument and Archaeological Survey and Remain Act. Golconda actually consists of 4 distinct forts with 10 kilometers long outer wall with 87 semicircular bastions, 8 gateway and 4 drawbridges with a number of royal apartments and halls, temples, mosques, magazines, stables, etc. The lowest outermost enclosure into which we enter by the Fateh Darwaza. A hand clap at a certain point below the dome at the entrance reverberates and can be heard clearly at the Baleshwar Pavilion. The highest point is almost a kilometer away. The work as a warning note to the royals in the case of attack. A visit to the fort reveals the architectural beauty in many pavilions, gates, entrances and domes, halls, temples, mosques and even the stables. Baleshwar Gate is the main entrance of the fort, located in the eastern side. The highest point of the gate is Baleshwar Gate. The 2 individual pavilions on the outer side of the Golconda are also the major attractions of the fort. It is built on a point which is quite rocky. The Kali Mandir is located in the fort. It can be seen from the King's Darbar, King's Court, which was on the top of the Golconda fort. Other buildings found inside the fort are Habsi-Khanas, Arches, Ashli-Khanas, Taramati Mosque, Ramdas Bandikhana, Camel Stable, Private Chambers, Mortuary Bath, Nagina Bath, Ramdas Kota, Darbar Hall and Ambar Khana, etc. Several dynasties ruled Golconda over years. Kakatiya kings, Mansuri Nayakas, Bahmani sultans, Qutub Shahi dynasty, Mughal empire. Golconda fort have 9 darwazas: Fateh Darwaza, Moti Darwaza, Kottakota Darwaza, Jamli Darwaza, Banjari Darwaza, Patan Cheruvu Darwaza, Makka Darwaza, Budli Darwaza and Bahmani Darwaza. Balhesar Gate is the highest point. There were many temples and forts during that period. Qutub Shahi's capital city was Golconda. The timeline of the Qutub Shahi dynasty. 1512 to 1543 Sultan Quli Qutub Shah Ulmul. 1543 to 1550 Jamshid Quli Qutub Shah. 1550 to 1550 Shuban Quli Qutub Shah. 1550 to 1580 Ibrahim Quli Qutub Shah. 1580 to 1612 Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah. 1611 to 1626 Sultan Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah. 1626 to 1672 Abdullah Qutub Shah. 1672 to 1686 Abul Hasan Qutub Shah. In 1686, the Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb attacked Golconda Fort with an intention to seize Hyderabad. So this is a short history of the Golconda. If you like this video, please like and share to your family members and friends. For many video updates, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.